This time lapse shows the movement of the clouds over Smithville during the tornado warning Wednesday afternoon.
Seeing some definite rotation in this cloud.
Alicia watched from her boutique.
It was just all really surreal, I guess. Everyone was kind of in awe. You could see a lot of people going outside and taking pictures and kind of gawking to see if that was really what they were seeing. So, yeah, I think everyone was really awestruck.
It's trying.
The emergency manager in Platte County reported a brief touchdown near Smithville, but no damage.
Look at that.
A relief for first responders.
This is not typically the time frame for a tornado to happen. And so when I first got my first reports in, my text messages and emails, it made my heart stop a little bit.
Captain Aiken says now is a good time to make sure people have an emergency plan and updated kit just in case.
Definitely a stark reminder that we should always be prepared. And fortunately, it went away just as quickly as it got here.